I'm attorney Jared Haddock, and on this installment of Fresh Starts, I'll be discussing how to choose the right attorney for your bankruptcy case. Choosing the right attorney can sometimes be a difficult task. I will not speak unkindly of my colleagues in the field. Most of the bankruptcy attorneys in the area that I know are very reputable and well qualified to handle any bankruptcy case. That said, there are differences in law firm cultures, pricing, and policies. I am not entirely sure that any one factor should stand out as the most important one to use in making a decision, but I will say that you should generally never enter a contract with any professional, attorney or otherwise, with whom you don't feel comfortable. Bankruptcies frequently involve some rather personal discussions and some unpleasant realities. You need to be able to be honest and forthcoming with your attorney, and having a good rapport goes a long way toward that end. I'm not saying that you have to be best friends with your attorney, but you should know you can respect and trust them enough to be honest, even when your finances are painful or difficult to talk about. As far as more specific things to be aware of, you should know some of the ways that different law firms operate. With some firms, like mine for instance, the first attorney you meet will be the same one handling your case from beginning to end. Others will assign different attorneys for different aspects of the case. One for your consultation, another one for your petition signing, another for your hearing, and perhaps another one for your reaffirmations, amendments, or adversarial matters. As far as pricing, some firms offer a very low advertised price, but then find every excuse under the sun to charge additional fees for things that routinely come up in many cases. I always considered that tactic a horrible way to start a new relationship. One built on deceptive methods warrants little trust. Other firms offer a more comprehensive fee that covers most routine events without additional charges. While some unusual or unforeseen events may actually translate to additional fees in some cases, my firm and some others make every effort to ensure that the flat fee quoted is fair, competitive, and always as comprehensive as possible. I don't think it's just a coincidence that most of the colleagues in the industry that I respect and admire the most don't attempt to lure clients in with deceptively low gimmick pricing. It only seems right that you should know up front what your case will actually cost you, at least to the extent that it is reasonably foreseeable. Remember, if it sounds too good to be true, then it probably is. Also, some firms send you all over town getting recorded documents yourself, telling you that doing so will keep their prices low for you. I once worked for such a firm that did this, and I can tell you that clients would take time off from work, drive downtown to the Register of Deeds, pay for parking, take a number, wait in long periods of time to have a clerk charge them $5 for each search and $1 per page. They would come back into the office after all of this with huge piles of paper that we didn't need and couldn't use. At my firm, we do this for our clients electronically with no hassle, and we still manage to keep our prices competitive. As I figure it, my staff and I know exactly what I need and how to get it. Why make you learn to do something you'll probably never need to know again the hard way when we can just do it for you? That's just good service. You know what's interesting about really great service? It is often so seamless that you don't even know you're getting it. You always know when you get lousy service though, right? That's why I believe it is more profitable to provide these services without high additional costs. I get referrals from satisfied clients, and that's worth far more to me than additional charges imposed on unsatisfied clients. From a business standpoint even, that just makes sense to me. So, while most bankruptcy attorneys I know are reputable and well qualified to handle most any case, they differ in their culture, pricing, and policies. Most law firms, however, do offer free initial consultations for prospective clients, and ultimately, the best way to determine which attorney is right for you is to take advantage of these consultations and meet with them. Determine what you like and don't like about each of them, and then make an informed decision about who will best serve your individual needs. Good luck in your search. I thank you for watching, and as always, I wish you a better future.